Yup, that's a PlayStation. And it just came in for repair. I just plugged it in, and it powered on by itself, and it's blinking. I didn't even press the power button. I've never seen this one before. Yeah, so I left it here for a good 10 minutes, and yeah, nothing is happening. I'm suspecting firmware. Let's take this thing apart. Upon further inspection here, it looks like it might have signs of roaches. No roaches yet, but it is dirty. Yup, found them. Whenever I get a weird problem like this that has roaches, I automatically know the roaches caused it. So maybe the firmware is not the issue. And maybe the firmware is the issue. Got the motherboard out of here. It doesn't seem like any roaches came here. Let's take out this firmware chip, read it, and put a new one in. We got the chip here. Alright, I put it on the jig here, and we are reading. And yeah, I was about to say, once I see Sony here, but no, I see Oni. And that is a corrupt firmware. We don't have any methods to fix the corrupted firmware, so I'm gonna have to copy another one from a working PlayStation. I'm gonna try to read it one more time. And yeah, it's still the same. I'm gonna test out my luck here and add a capital S. Alright, got it right here. And I'm gonna have to delete that. So I'm gonna put this brand new chip here. Okay, I put it on here and I'm programming this chip. Oh, no. I don't think this is gonna work. I started looking at the data, and the data's a little bit out of whack. Alright, let's give this chip a try here. I don't think it's gonna work. I think we're gonna need to reflash, but let's give it a try. Well, I plugged it up here and it didn't power on by itself. That's a good sign. Let's try to power it on. Yeah, nothing. The software is corrupt. Let's reflash this thing with something that we know. The old reader was being funky, so I did it with this one right here. I have the new chip with the new flash and I plugged it in. Nothing happened. That's good. And it powers on. Nice. The tester says it's okay. What do we have? Anything on the screen here? No, unfortunately not. I might need to have to repair the original software. Before I do anything, I'm going to try it with the drive because I know PlayStation 4s do need a drive if you have one. Alright, I think I got it here. Alright, I have the original software. I plugged it in. Nothing happened. Let's see. It still powers on. The HDMI tester says it's okay. And we must get something on the screen. Alright, so that didn't work. I'm gonna put the original chip back on and see if we have the original problem, just to conclude that we might have two problems here. And I just wanted to get a heat signature here. Everything is healthy. Okay, so I put the original chip back on and it's doing the same thing, of course. However, it didn't turn on by itself. So that means that there's something weird here, funny, that a roach caused. And that's why I don't work on roach-infested consoles. Since we're working near the South Bridge, this could be a behavior of a bad South Bridge since we don't have any power on the USB. So I'll leave the South Bridge replacement to another video.